Hey guys, you're welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time of finding this channel, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another product review, and I'll be reviewing yet another sunblock cream. And the cream I'll be reviewing, the sunblock cream I'm going to be reviewing is the Feah Ultra High Sunblock SPF 60. This is a new product I found in the market when I was looking for a sunblock because the Feah I had got exhausted and I needed something that was equally affordable but also really effective and great on the skin. So I decided to try out this Feah Sunblock. It has UV SPF 60 and UVA as well as UVB, and it contains vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. They claim that it's fast absorbing and leaves the skin feeling soft and protected, and it comes in this 200ml container, this 200ml very fine yellow container. To the ingredients, guys, it says it contains aqua, glycerin, octinoxate, sodium ascorbyl, vitamin E, vitamin A, titanium dioxide, which, like you know, is the active ingredients in physical sunblocks, sunscreens. And it also contains stearyl alcohol, polyethylene, as well as glycoside, sodium as acrylates, and many other things. So as always, guys, like you know how I do product reviews for sunblock cream, I always try it out for you guys so that you can see if it is something you want to try out on your skin. So because of how the last sunblock I reviewed for you guys made my skin look so white and left a white scar, even though it is recommended that you apply sunblock with the two-finger method, I find that that is always not applicable for all sunscreen or sunblock. So what I'm going to do in this video is that I'm going to start by applying a pea-size amount on my face and then go in with the two-finger method to see if it will also equally absorb and not leave a white cast. So to start out, I'm going to take this amount. Let me just shake it. So to start out, guys, I'm going to take this amount. Oh, that's a lot. I'm going to apply this amount all over my face and just blend it in. Blend the product in. Another thing I need to mention about this sunblock is that it smells really amazing. The fragrance is not offensive at all. My hair is getting in the way. So guys, you can see that this sunblock really does absorb very fast and easily into the skin when you apply it in a pea-sized portion. So you can see my face is still looking as hydrated as it was just when I started filming this video, and for that I give this sunblock a really high grade because it doesn't leave a white cast, but I'm still going to go in and apply another layer to it to see if it will easily dissolve. And for that, I'm going to be using the two-finger method because I've already applied some portion of the sunblock to my face. I'm going to like apply 1.5 so that the other one I applied will make up the other half for the two-finger method. I hope are making sense. So yes, let's go in for the two finger and apply another layer. Ewo. Another thing about this sunblock is that it has a really runny liquid consistency. So I'm going to go in with the two finger method. As you can see, it's not very full. Like, I didn't apply it fully on my two fingers because I've applied some portion already, and I just want to show you what it will look like when you apply the two finger method for this sunblock. So I'm just going to blend it into my skin. Oh my god, I look like a masquerade. Ah, my hair is really seriously getting in the way. So guys, you can see that the product is already disappearing from my face. It's not only just disappearing, it's giving my face a shine, leaves a shine to it. Ooh. Just going to go in now and blend the one on my forehead. Whoa. Yes guys, so you can see that it dissolves into my skin and just leaves my skin feeling oily, and I kind of prefer my skin to look oily after I apply sunblock than for it to look just pale and matte like it was in my other video. I'll leave a link to the other sunblock I reviewed up here so you guys can see the difference between this one and that one. This one doesn't leave any white cast, it just blends into the skin. Can you see that glow? Hey, and it just gives your skin this really awesome glow. And you see, if you're somebody that doesn't really apply makeup and you just want to apply sunscreen and leave the house, this Feah Sunblock would definitely be something for you to try out. Another thing I need to mention about this sunblock is that it's really affordable. I bought this 200ml container for 1,300 naira. So like, I'm really surprised at how well it works. Look at even my neck where I applied it, everything has just dissolved right into my skin and there is no white cast whatsoever, even after using the two finger method. Guys, two finger method does not work for every sunblock in the market, but this Feah Sunblock has just passed the two finger method. It has just passed the no white cast test, and I definitely recommend this sunblock for you. Not only does it not leave a white cast, it's fast absorbing. It leaves your skin feeling really moisturized. As you can see, my skin where I applied it is looking highly moisturized right now, and it leaves that glow on your skin. It doesn't rid your skin of moisture. So guys, that's that about this Feah SPF 60 sunblock cream. I hope you give it a trial. If you see it in the market, I will definitely be repurchasing this sunblock, because take a look at how refreshed and oiled my skin looks, and that's what I really want to achieve when I apply a sunblock. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you found it highly informative, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. I create videos on skincare, products, reviews, and just get information out there so you can make better product choice. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.